Looking to breathe new life into your older PC or console without replacing the entire system? The IDE2SAT2 40-pin IDE2SATA adapter offers a simple, cost-effective way to connect the latest SATA I, 3 drives to your existing IDE/ATA motherboard port. Whether you want faster storage, more capacity, or just want to keep your current setup intact, this adapter bridges the gap effortlessly. I recently used the IDE2SAT2 to upgrade the hard drive in my original Xbox, which only supports IDE connections. Installing a 2 TB SATA drive through this adapter not only worked flawlessly but also delivered a noticeable boost in game loading times. The installation was straightforward, no software needed, and the adapter fits snugly inside the console, preserving its original form factor. Plus, it supports a wide range of SATA drives, including 2, 5, 3, 5, and 5. 25 sizes, as well as optical drives like Blu-ray, DVD, and CD-ROM. This means you can add modern storage or optical media capabilities to older machines with ease. What you get is more than just compatibility. The IDE2SAT2 supports 48-bit logical block addressing, complies with SATA Revision 1.0, and works with Ultra-ATA 133 standards, ensuring reliable data transfer up to 6 gigabits per second. It's a complete hardware solution, no drivers or software required. Backed by StarTech's 2-year warranty and free lifetime technical support, this adapter makes upgrading hassle-free and risk-free. If you're ready to extend the life of your older PC or console with modern SATA drives, the IDE2SAT2 is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to experience better performance without the expense of a full system upgrade.